The Totem ST20 is a robust and weatherproof portable ticketing machine, capable of holding a complex ticket, event and fare structures, and yet easy to use. The ST20 offers revenue security for any outdoor application. With multi-currency, multi-payment methods, discount and group ticketing, and full voiding and receipt options, the ST20 also has optional integrated barcode and magnetic card reader, allowing EFT and customer account transactions to be carried out on the move. Applications for the Totem ST30 are wide-ranging, whether it's heritage sites or fairground rides and attractions, timed or dated tickets or barcoded access control, or any number of varied transport applications. The ST30 can do it all. In addition to producing an on-the-spot comprehensive end-of-shift printout, all sales data can also be uploaded to a PC for production of detailed sales reports.